For over a year, the library has been working to digitize historic free Negro registers. This initiative is a part of our Virginia Untold project, which provides online access to records that document the lived experiences of enslaved and free Black Virginians prior to 1867. Using this Accomack County Register as an example, this video shows you just what it takes to move these important records from a courthouse shelf to your computer screen. During a records transfer at the Accomack County Courthouse in late 2023, my colleagues and I collaborated with the clerk to acquire the Accomack County Free Register for scanning and digital preservation. Back at the library, my colleague Mary Ann Mason updated the catalog and accession records to ensure this volume was officially accounted for in our holdings. After cataloging, I asked our conservator Leslie to remove the binding. This allows the register to lay flat when we photograph it on our copy stand, which results in better images. When it is not possible to take an item apart, we use our bookmark book scanner, which allows us to place bound items in a book cradle and photograph each page from an angle so as to not stress the binding. In our digital lab, technicians position the register on a specialized copy stand. Using a Nikon D850 camera and precision LED lighting, we capture each page at high resolution to preserve every handwritten detail. We then process the files in Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop to ensure the digital image perfectly matches the physical item as it currently is. Once quality control is complete, we move to public access. Digital Archives Coordinator Susan Gray uploads the images to From the Page for indexing by our volunteers. She also prepares the permanent files in Rosetta, our digital preservation repository. Once published, the record is digitally accessible in our Virginia Untold collection. The digital work is done, but the physical record still needs care. Leslie, our conservator, reattaches the text block to the binding and stabilizes the cover. For final touches, she focuses on effectively balancing restoration with maintaining the historic integrity of the volume's original look and feel. The final step is shelving. We box up the record and secure it storely in our stacks area on the 4th floor of the library. We scan it to the shelf so we know where to find it using our records management database in the future. Visit the Virginia Untold website to see the Accomack County Free Register and learn more.